Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Blink Sync module that failed to connect. First, ensure that you have entered the correct Wi-Fi password. Then double check for any typos or errors. Next, look at the sticker on your router for the correct Wi-Fi password. Some routers have the password printed on them. On your mobile device, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Forget the current Wi-Fi network and then reconnect to it. If your Wi-Fi password contains special characters, try temporarily changing the password to something simpler without special characters. Then, set up a temporary guest network with a simple password for the initial setup of your Blink device. After the setup, you can remove the guest network. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.